In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check my orders in TikTok affiliate dashboard. If you promote products as a creator or affiliate, knowing where to view each sale and its commission is essential. I'll guide you through the exact path inside the app so you can quickly verify your orders and payouts. First, open your TikTok app. Make sure you're on a stable connection and that the app is up to date, since labels can shift with new versions. This walkthrough follows the standard interface and works on both iOS and Android. Next, log in with your account. Use the profile that's tied to your affiliate activity so the dashboard shows the right data. If you manage multiple accounts, confirm you're on the correct one. On the homepage, tap the profile icon at the bottom right. That takes you to your profile area where creator tools live. From here, we'll go straight to the hub that connects analytics and monetization. From your profile, tap TikTok Studio. This is the Creator Control Center. If you see it labeled slightly differently, such as Studio or a Creator Hub, the destination is the same, the place that links your content to shop activity. Once inside, scroll down and choose TikTok Shop Creator. This section groups everything related to your shop presence as a creator, including commissions. Now, tap Earnings. You'll see an overview of your amounts, what's pending, confirmed, or recently updated, so you can understand where payouts are coming from and what's on the way. Totals might reflect your local currency and update at set intervals, so refresh or revisit later if a recent sale hasn't appeared yet. Then tap Affiliate Orders. This screen lists the orders generated through your affiliate links. You can view each order's product, date, status, and the commission tied to it. If filters or a date range are available, use them to focus on the period you need. Remember, some orders remain pending until confirmation and return windows clear, so totals may change as orders progress. It also helps to note the content that drove each sale, so you can spot trends and double down on what converts. And that's it. You've reached the exact place where your affiliate orders live. If something seems missing, give the system time to update. Double check you're on the right account and make sure TikTok Shop features are supported in your region. Reviewing this page regularly helps you track performance and verify commissions. Thanks for watching, and use these steps anytime you need a quick status check.